Hello guys, it's George. Welcome to George Basics. In today's video I want to show you how to buy SaylorCake token on your Trust wallet. But before we start, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like this video. So first guys, I want to mention that this is not financial advice, it's just video tutorial how to buy SaylorCake token. So I'm not financial advisor, and please do a research before you decide you want to buy or not. So first you need to go to CoinMarketCap and click the search bar, type SaylorCake and open this token. You can look the charts, you can look the analytics, and it will help you to make the decision. So first look at the analytics here and then go to Trustwallet. If you don't have Trustwallet, you can download it from Google Play or App Store for free, and after you download, then go through verification. So open Trustwallet, and now you need to have BNB on your account. First buy BNB on your Trustwallet, or you can just receive it from any other crypto markets. Click receive and copy this wallet address and send BNB to your Trustwallet account. So after you will have BNB on your Trustwallet account, then you can go back to CoinMarketCap, and now you need to copy this contract address by clicking this copy icon. Then go back to Trustwallet, click the apps, scroll a little bit down and choose Pancakeswap. Select the currency, paste this contract address we copied a few seconds ago, click import, understand, import, then choose the amount of SaylorCake token you want to buy and then swap your BNB to it. So that's all guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.